Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the aura filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. So this filter is also trending. Just scroll up to get the effect. Okay, and remember this image on the second row. This one, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it, wait for it. Okay, and this is the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for reality ripple. Okay, and on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect gallery. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there and you can use the effect from there also. Wait for it. Yep. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from there also, then what you can do, let me go back. Visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon. Okay, and open it with TikTok. So you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. And there you go, you got the effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.